What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So this is a prime example of what happens if you're burning the candle at both ends. You ask for nothing but trouble. We're in the busy season right now, but we got a bunch of broken equipment. But today, we're gonna change the sprocket on the old Bobcat. As you can see, we got no teeth left on that sucker. Get your money's worth, that's what I always say. But yeah, we'll show you some of the other broken stuff we got after we get this going. Let's pop this track off and get ready. Run up to Bobcat, get the new sprocket. But yep, we're gonna jack it up and see if we can get this thing off here. Over here. Yeah, you could always use the bucket, but just gonna use a jack real quick. Put down all the way. Screw it, let's go off the arm. But we got that off the ground. Get this cleaned out. All right, guys, we're gonna get this all cleaned out, and then we're gonna remove the grease fitting in here for the front idler. There's a big cylinder in there and it packs full of grease, and that's what tensions that idler. We're gonna remove that and allow the track to loosen up, and then we're gonna pull that off. So let's get this cleaned out. Oh yeah, mud. Normally there's a big cover plate on here, but when we were on site, we were on a job trying to get it finished up, and we took the plate off so we could grease it up to get it tighter, but it still didn't do the trick, so that's why there's no plate on there. Come in for a closer look. So you can see there's like one big grease fitting and then one small one. You remove that small one and it'll start removing tension. Get that pulled out. You gotta be careful sometimes. Like right now, we got this track pretty tight and it's gonna be under a lot of tension, so learn this the hard way. I usually hold my ratchet right here so when it gets to the point where it comes out, it just blows into this instead of crushing my hand. So we got the socket right here, it's a 7/16. That isn't so bad. So you can see right here, it's like a little grease nipple. So yeah, we're gonna pull this off, pop the track off real quick, and then pop off the sprocket. We'll get right back to her. All right, now we got the track all loosened up. That's where the glob of grease comes out. You just kind of get that all out of there. Take that. Put it in the trash. Remove that glove. Whew. Then we'll pop this track off. All right, now we got that track popped off there. Slid out of there. We're gonna go ahead and get this sprocket off. Might as well, since we're right here. Clean it out. All right, let's pop this off. Alright. There she goes. So get all this cleaned up off there. Whew. Get all this out of here. All right, there you have her. So we're just gonna get this cleaned up, run grab the new one, pop it back on there, and repeat the process. We'll be back in a bit. What's up, guys? We're gonna install that new sprocket real quick. Bam. Let's get her on. Just picked up the part. 500 bones though. Bow, bow, bow. Get this sucker out of here. That's a little better. Okay. There it is. Run these on real quick just so it stays put. Put the grease soak back in. Thread started there. Tighten her up. take the grease zerk right here. Takes about almost a full tube of grease. Once you get quite a bit in there, you'll start seeing that front idler start moving. Oh, running through that tube. Prime it up real quick. Get the air out. Should be good. Color good. All right, that's how you do her. Now it's off to work. Appreciate the views. Don't forget to check out our merch store. All the above. Appreciate you guys.